September 12, 2024. It's approximately 9:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time at Nashville International Airport in Tennessee. Alaska Airlines Flight 369, a Boeing 737-900, is rolling down runway 13, preparing for takeoff on its journey to Seattle. But in a split second, an ordinary departure becomes a critical incident on the runway. 9:11 a.m. A controller instructed Flight ASA 369 to align with runway 13 and the hold. Awaiting clearance for takeoff, the captain and first officer conduct their final checks. Meanwhile, unbeknownst to the Alaska crew, Southwest Airlines Flight 2029 is preparing for its own journey to Jacksonville, Florida. And at 9:13:05, a controller instructed Flight 2029 to proceed to runway 20C and to cross runway 13 at taxiway T5. It's now 9:13:28, and Flight 369 is cleared for takeoff. With clearance, Alaska Airlines Flight 369 accelerates down runway 13, propelling 176 passengers and 6 crew members toward their destination in Seattle. But as Alaska 369 reaches a high speed of about 104 knots on its takeoff roll, the Southwest jet crosses the active runway at taxiway T5, creating an immediate collision risk. Realizing the imminent danger, the Alaska pilots make a split-second decision to reject the takeoff, braking hard to reduce the Boeing 737-900 speed as quickly as possible. Executing a rejected takeoff at high speed requires skill and precision, especially with the forces involved in rapidly decelerating a fully loaded aircraft. Fortunately, the Alaska crew's quick reaction prevents disaster, and the aircraft slows significantly just before reaching taxiway T4. At 9:14:30, after halting the takeoff, Alaska 369 reported aborting the takeoff and is requested to clear runway 13 via taxiway T4. They proceed to the gate area, awaiting an open gate to offload the passengers. However, during the waiting period, the strain of the high-speed abort takes effect. The aircraft's 4 main landing gear tires begin to overheat, causing the fuse plugs to deflate the tires as a safety precaution. With all 4 main tires now deflated, Alaska Airlines 369 is unable to taxi further. Passengers are safely deplaned via air stairs on the ramp, bringing an unexpected end to their journey. Meanwhile, Southwest Airlines Flight 2029 proceeds to a runway 20C, where it receives clearance for takeoff and departs Nashville without further incident. Following the close call, the FAA and NTSB initiate a thorough investigation. Investigators retrieve the ATC audio recordings, flight data recorders, from both aircraft. The cockpit voice recorder is also recovered from Alaska 369. However, the Southwest 737's CVR has already been overwritten, erasing the cockpit audio from the incursion. The investigation will continue as officials piece together the details of this incident. Thanks to the quick thinking of the Alaska Airlines crew, a potential disaster was averted. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the mysteries and close calls that happen in the skies, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.